5346, respond to Oyler Elementary for a disgruntled parent in the cafeteria. So today we are running officers through the Apex virtual reality system. It's a fully immersive training system where the officers feel that they are actually in the scenario and in the environment.
The teachers aren't doing anything, the principal's not doing anything. I'm done.
That sounds like a lot going on.
We've been really kind of having a good time learning the system and how this is going to be used with our officers and implemented into training. It was actually donated by the Blue Line Foundation and the Hatton Foundation. Otherwise, we would have never been able to get a system like this. Our training usually is scenario-based training, but it's difficult for us to really change anything. And our role players are all, they look the same. Even if we change the scenario, we're still in the training facility. We are still in that same location, and the officers are still wearing the same things. With the virtual reality, we can change where they're actually going. So they can be in a parking lot, they can be inside of a building, in a home, in a school. The role players themselves can change, so the characters that they are dealing with can look completely different. So it changes the game as far as what we can do with our officers and how they can train in a real life situation.
Place this on your head, where it's comfortable, and there's put down over your eyes a little bit. Okay, stop, let's turn left. Let's walk forward. Go ahead and grab it.
Okay.
Go ahead and place it in your holster.
One of the best parts about this is the fact that we can have a lot of verbal de-escalation training in this.
I don't understand. What do you mean messing with your kids? Who's messing with your kid?
Well, my kid's getting bullied and the school's doing nothing about it, so I came down here. I'm going to take care of it myself. This is getting ridiculous.
Okay. Well, what would you like for your police department to do for you today?
The good thing with this is, you would think he's got that gun out, he ain't gonna calm down. We can now, because we're in control of the voice. We're in control of the dialogue. So we can get you to a point, talk to people, and that's our goal. Our big goal with this is to get people to start talking, but also start talking more and understand that not everything's going to be a de-escalation. You can try, not everything's going to work, but we're in a position now with this, that de-escalation, that conversation, that communication between you and the bad guy will work.
We implement de-escalation into pretty much everything we do down here. It is so important when it comes to police work, not just for Cincinnati, but all over the country. So we need to be able to talk to somebody who is at level 10 and kind of talk them down a little bit when necessary and when possible.